Hello and welcome back, everyone. If you are new to this channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so you could get a notification of all my updates. The untold truth about the money. Have you imagined having $1 million? If you haven't, then imagine now. Now, imagine having $100 million. How enticing it is. And now imagine having $1 billion. Isn't it enticing to think of having this much worth? Now let me tell you that Elon Musk, the person who started Tesla Motors, has a net worth that is 197 times the worth you just imagined having. Now let's talk about you. You might be attending early morning classes at the university, or you might be doing a job that you got after spending years in university. You probably are facing a financial issue. You might have a feeling that you are not paid enough, or your income is not compatible with your expenses, or you might be a student who doesn't have any savings, who is studying just to get a degree and the ability to get a job, so to be financially independent, isn't it? Wealth, financial freedom, feels like a dream that you might be seeing with open eyes. You might be seeing millionaires, billionaires, or entrepreneurs and thinking about how they managed to get that massive success. At this point, the common thought that comes across everyone's mind is that all the successful people have some sources or support that took them to the verge of success. Or you might think that they are exceptionally intelligent. The thought that at your age, there are a lot of people that have created a worth of $1 million, this idea baffles you. You think they are born with a silver spoon, or they might have abilities that you lack. Or you might be thinking that I'm unlucky, insufficient, or not blessed enough. But let me tell you one thing, that it's a mere excuse in a rigged game. Yes, it's a tricky game, and now if you are watching this video, it means you are on the losing side of this game. What if I make you look on the other side of the coin? What if I told you you have been wrong in your whole life? Let's start seeing the thing differently. Let's suppose you're doing a job that pays you $100 a day. Now make your money plan and think about how much time it would take to make a net worth of $1 million. Probably 27 years. That's insanely long duration. Is it wise to wait for so long to be a millionaire? No, it's not. So what should you do? You need to make a new money-making formula for yourself. First of all, stop chasing a calculated amount of money. Be open. Open your minds to look into the surroundings and find ways to make money. Understand what people are stressing over and how you can help them to solve their problem. At that point, you can understand the money-making formula of billionaires. The thing that sets them apart from us is their understanding money-making formula. Learn the market demand for a problem. The more the market demand, the more you'll be paid after solving that problem. For instance, look at the bank manager and at the same time, look at the sweeper working in the same bank. Both work at the same place, but they both have a huge difference in their wages. Ideally, the sweeper should get more wage as he works harder than the bank manager, who just sits behind a table and writes and manages a few documents. But working hard is not the case. You get paid for the solution or value you provide to society. A bank manager solves a more demanding solution, so he gets more wages. If you want to make wealth, you need to provide the solution to an in-demand problem of society. You need to present yourself as a solution in your surrounding environment. In the end, I would say again, when you stop chasing the calculated money and will start to provide the solution, you'll start getting the wealth you're dreaming of. And if I sum up the video in one line, then I would say stop chasing money and start chasing the solution of the problem that people are going through, and start providing them solutions and create your value and wealth from it. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment and do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. I will be back with another video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.